Yes, Manav, I want to ask you one question from your side. What is your opinion about global warming?
Global warming. I think it is caused by humans because they use many vehicles and other means that they use many production is taking place, and due to the growth of the population the needs of the humans are also increasing. So for satisfying those needs the production has increased. Due to this many new factories are also constructed, and harmful gases and other things are also releasing from those factories. So due to this global warming is increasing.
So, is there any solution for this problem? Because this problem is a very severe.
Solution for this problem,
Yes.
wait a minute. I think that electric cars and other electric things should be introduced. If electric cars are introduced, then those pollution or the pollution which are caused by the cars will reduce. More in the world, electric cars should be introduced. Due to this, the pollution which is caused by the cars will reduce or vanish. And for the factories, I don't think that there would be a solution
For the production of the factories.
because the population is kept increasing.
So, according to you, in this specific area, there is no solution related to factories.
I don't think so.
You don't think so, but there are. Okay. What is your opinion on dowry system?
Dowry system.
Yes. Is it wrong or it is wrong or right practice?
I think it is wrong
Why it is wrong?
because if we talk about a family, about the girl side family, that family is very poor. Means that family could not pay the dowry to the other family which to their daughter is getting married. So it would be very difficult for that family to get their daughter married.
But some people say that it is right. So what do you think personally? Is it right from your intellectual competency? Because this is the free conversation related to the intellectual competency. We want to check the intellectual competent people.
In my opinion, dowry system is not
Not good. Because wrong is wrong. But some people claim that it is right because somewhere or the other it creates the stability, status in the society. That if we give that much of dowry to showcase our economic background to the society. So don't you think so that it is a very wrong practice which is being practiced by those people?
Those practices are wrong because they are giving money to show their status. If they spend those money on poor, then our society would develop more faster. They are only increasing their status, not anything else.
Okay. I want to ask you which thing is very important in both the things, development or growth?
Develop what?
Development or growth?
I think
Which is more needed in Indian society?
growth or development. I don't know.
Like some basic idea, what do you mean by growth, what do you mean by development? Because
Can-
growth is there, growth is every year there is a growth, huge growth is there in terms of grain production. Okay, in the manufacturing of the electronic gadgets, there is a huge growth. But don't you think so? There is a development
I think that development should be more.
more.
Uh,
Yes.
if there is development, then the growth will automatically increase. I think.
No. According to me, no. Growth can be there without development, but development cannot be without growth. I think you said the same. You said the same. So what should we do to bring development? Should we focus on growth, or should we focus on those produced growth in the development?
See, I like to say that if some growth is happening there, then from that growth we can use some of the amount. If growth is happening again and again, means in 1 year there was assume that 1 kg of wheat is produced, and in the next year 2 kg of wheat is produced, and our
So there is a growth.
yes, and from that 1 kg our country need only means 1 to 1.5 kg, and that
Rest of the
will be utilized in the development.
Yes, here I would like to draw your attention. Like we have the grain production in a very huge quantity, because it means we export. So it is a good symbol of any country if they are exporting the things. So it is the symbol that there is a surplus amount of that production. So we export the, do you know the meaning of export?
Yes, sending goods.
Yes. So we export so many products like grains, their production we export to the different nations, and import whatever we needed. But whatever we export, but Indian country is the country which is lacking in the what should I say, in the food facility. Even though they are exporting the so many good things or related to the grains, but their own citizens are starving of the hunger.
The government is thinking about the money, means
Money is a part of the growth. Don't you think so? Money is not the part of development.
first, but the government should give the sufficient amount of the agriculture product that is produced to the citizen. If the citizen get the sufficient amount, then the left thing is, then that they should export that thing.
Okay, I would like to say one thing also. Very very logical question I'm going to ask you. So please you have to think, and after that you should answer. There are the two people. There are the two persons. One is rich and one is very poor. Okay, and the rich person or the poor person, who would have the qualitative life?
I think the poor.
How?
The rich person, if there is a rich family and that son, the son of that family would be greedy because he have money, and then he don't have to do anything. Doesn't have to do anything because he had got already lots of money. But the child who is belonging to a poor family, he has to do some work and do what
Which?
he has to do some struggle. He has to do some struggle, and due to the struggle, in future he could get more rich than that rich family's sons. Because that son is not that the son of that rich family is not doing any struggle, and he will only relying on the money of its parents.
Okay, there is a there are the problems related to the welfare, that we should bring the welfare of the people who are deprived of their rights and all. Suppose that a government comes with the universal basic income. There is a universal basic income means 2,000, 3,000 per month. It will be allocated to the fund of those amount, to the bank account of those poor people who are very poor. So don't you think so that will it lead towards the development, or towards which thing it will lead, or unemployment? Which thing?
I think it will not lead to the development, because those poor, they are getting free money. If we say there are, you mean to say that all poor family means
All poor, like suppose that if there are the four family members who are adult, okay,
then they all are getting money.
all are getting money, like approximately 2,000, 3,000. It was the policy.
For one person, they are getting
3,000, 2,000,
Okay.
2,000. Yes, you can.
I think it will not lead to development, because those people who are getting money, they would do that, they would increase their family members. So in future they would get more money, and they do not have to do any work. They are getting money for free.
So will it lead towards any different problems? Will it give any birth to the different problems?
It will give birth.
I think if
Or it will beget any
Beget.
other problem.
Regenerate.
Generate, beget.
Regenerate.
Generate or regenerate.
Generate. Yes, that's I thought generate.
I think if we talk about
One problem begets other problem.
Begets another problem. Yes.
if we talk about a farmer who is very poor and he increases its family members, okay, and it get 5 to 6 family members, and they are getting money for free. So they don't need to do any work. Due to this, many poor farmers also do the same thing. Due to this, that the production of agriculture in our country would decrease. Yes.
Okay, don't you think so that suppose that if there is a family who's very marginal, okay, marginal means very poor. They are marginalized section of the society.
Poor or pauper.
Pauper, yes. So suppose that if both the husband and wife both are getting the 2,000, so it means equal 4,000. Okay. So husband, as there is a patriarchy in the society, that male dominating society is there, and on the other hand, government is planning to empower the women. So this short of the government will be पलट दिया जाना sir, will be reversed, yes, reversed in a negative direction. That husband is getting 2000 rupees, so he will consume in drinking that 2000 rupees, but he will snatch that 2000 remaining money from the female also. So don't you think so it will also create a domestic violence in the families, and there will be so many females who will be the victim of this problem?
I think it will create domestic violence.
And one logical question also I'm going to ask you. Suppose that if I give you fish to eat every day, or if I teach you how to fish, which would you like to opt?
How to fish?
Yes.
And eat.
And I
how
would like to give
fish
you
or
the
how
fish.
to catch fish.
How to fish means catch the fish.
Okay.
Yes. So which thing would you like to opt?
I think I will how to learn to catch fish.
Catch fish. Because one time I can feed you one time, 2 times, again third time.
Not
okay?
for-
not for the whole time.
Yes.
So don't you think
If I would learn that, I could do that catching of fish and eat myself only. Then I know. I don't.
you can also feed so many people.
Yes, other people.
So many people. So don't you think so? This kind of a policy of the government in the terms of universal basic income is a one kind of a giving the fish to eat every day month.
I don't understand.
Like 2000 rupees giving them to the poor people, so it means they are giving the fish to the poor people, so they will not learn any like technique to earn money to make their life very prestigious in comparison to the rich people or the middle class family members.
Means the both the situation are similar, we can say. If the government is giving money, I think they should increase the employment, and they should taught them how to do. They should teach them how to do this or that work. If they do that work, they could earn money for themselves, and more than 2000.
More than 2000.
Yes.
Okay.
Is that it? Okay, we can finish this conversation.
Yes.
We can give the proper ending.
Yes. I'm done with you, and I will definitely plan a very different or a very unique question for you the next time. Okay. Thanks.